Hello and welcome to a new vlog. As you've probably noticed, I'm in a hotel again. If you don't know what I mean by again, last week it wasn't last week, it was last week's vlog, but it was like 2 days ago. I was also in a hotel for similar reasons. So basically my aunt has this big conference here in Anaheim, and I volunteered, as in like I'm getting paid, but like I said, I could work those days. So here I am working, and they got me a hotel room. And I feel very corporate and fancy because this is like a very corporate thing. Like you have to dress business casual. I did not know how to pack. I don't know what business casual means. What does that mean? I don't know. Can I wear jeans? I don't even own jeans. So I think I'm gonna be a bit overdressed. I went like business. I definitely felt really weird walking through the hotel too. Like it's Anaheim, so there's a lot of people like going to Disney and stuff, but there also are like a lot of corporate people. And then there was me in my pink hair and my bright pink suitcase carrying a bag full of Capri Suns because I gotta stock up for work, right? It's like I hope my room has a fridge because I'm filling it with Capri Suns. So yeah, that's really it. Just wanted to kind of do an intro right now. I don't know like how much is going to be in this vlog, again, because I'm like working this like crazy boring event. I don't know if it's going to be crazy boring. It sounds boring to me. It sounds like corporate-y and full of things I don't understand and acronyms. I don't know. But yeah, it's currently like already 10 p.m. I just got here. I had work today. I worked from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Actually, it turned out to be more like 7:30 p.m. and I was on my feet all day, like just standing at the desk. So I'm very wiped out. So I cannot wait to get in my jammies and get into bed and watch some Food Network. So I'll try and give you guys an update tomorrow and let you know how things go. Me joining the corporate world. You guys want a tour of my hotel room real fast? It's like really small. I'll show you. I also don't really get why people do hotel room tours, but I see other vloggers do it, so I'm gonna do it. It's really small. It's not exciting. Here's my suitcase. It's bright pink. My mom got it from you and I as a little kid, and I still have it. Plus, I totally would buy that right now anyway. She knew me well. And there's a fridge. It's where I'm gonna put my Capri Suns. And then if you come to the window, yay, Anaheim Marriott. Is this a Marriott? I think it's a Marriott. Who knows? Woo. And then if you look over that way, you can't see it from here, is the convention center where we go to WonderCon. I wish it was WonderCon. Oh, and here's my reflection. Hi! I am happy that there's a full-length mirror though, so I can show you my business OOTDs when I'm dressing like a professional grown-up lady. This is what I wore to work today. This is my scarecrow sweater that I bought in my Halloween shopping video. I'm loopy. I need to go to bed. I need to drink some Capri Suns and go to bed. Night, guys. All right, this is day one of me pretending like I am a business person, like I am a corporate business worker. I don't know. This is what I came up with. I googled business casual. Seemed like people wore a lot of sweaters, which is good because it's like really cold and raining today. So yep, this is my outfit. Hopefully it works. I don't think anyone will say anything. I don't know. This is the weather today. Kind of gross and raining. Glad that I'm not going to Disney today. I mean, that's not true. I would still like to go to Disney even if it was raining, but I'm glad that at my last Disney trip it wasn't raining, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, it's kind of it. I'm gonna go down now and find whoever it is I'm supposed to find or whatever it is I'm supposed to do. I'm not really sure. I don't know. They sent me a schedule and I don't understand any of it. I still don't even understand what this conference is, to be like perfectly honest. Like I get that it has something to do with transportation, and I don't know, like my like entire frame of like reference for this is in The Office when they go to that like office supplies convention and Michael tries to throw a party in his hotel room. It's all like girls gone wild. You know that scene? That one? That's like all I'm thinking about at this thing is that part of The Office. Like that's the only reference I have for what's going on. So we'll find out. I'm not gonna bring my camera down with me. Alright, so I didn't update you last night because I was super tired. Today is day 2. Here's my outfit, pretending to look like a grown-up adult person. Yesterday was super boring. I basically ran errands for them and like just did like random chores and stuff, which I'm guessing is gonna be similar today. So again, like not much to report. I don't know. I think this week is just gonna be really boring. I don't know, but yeah, this is my look. And then they have some kind of fancy corporate elite party tonight, which I was invited to, but it's like fancy and I'm guessing super boring, so They told me I didn't have to go if I didn't want to. So I think that I'm not going to, and I'm gonna hang out here and play Animal Crossing instead. Alright, I've lost track of what day it is today. It's Monday. I'm repeating an outfit because this is really comfy and I'm gonna be in a really cold room all day today. Basically the like show thing is starting for the conference. I want to say convention all the time. It's not really a convention, it's like a conference. So yeah, I'm just like kind of stuck in this room running around all day. I'm exhausted right now. It's just been so busy working these past couple days. Like I've just been running around like a crazy person. Like literally running, like having to run back and forth and do all this crazy stuff, and my feet are killing me. So I'm wearing comfy shoes today. Oh, right now I'm wearing socks, but I'm going to be wearing my comfy sneakers today. But I've got to go down. I'm gonna try and go to Starbucks. There's like a little cafe type thing in this hotel that like serves Starbucks coffee, and that's been fine these past couple of days. But there's, I know from my years of going to conventions here, because this is actually like right outside the Anaheim Convention Center. This is like the hotel across from it. So I know that there is a Starbucks in the hotel opposite us, and it's like a full Starbucks. So that means hopefully they'll have strawberry refreshers, because I'm gonna be in this room all day. It's gonna be exhausting and I could really use one. So fingers crossed. But I've got to run now so I don't miss my call time, which is 7 a.m. It is still dark outside. I'll show you. So the sun is just starting to come up now. This is where I am, this hotel. Over here is a hotel with a Starbucks. So we're gonna go across the street really fast and see if we can get it. So I got home from the conference 2 days ago, I think. I had work yesterday and then I got home the day before that. So yeah, like 2 days ago. I'm completely exhausted. I'm dying for a day just to myself to get some work done or just to relax, kind of. It's not happening. I've got work today, and then something fun, and then work again tomorrow, and then a shoot with Rui. So it's kind of go, 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 go for a couple days, well, a couple more days, and then finally, hopefully I'll be able to relax. I did go to the grocery store yesterday and get some pumpkins because I kept having nightmares that they were gonna run out of pumpkins, because that's genuinely something that stresses me out because I'm a crazy person. So I bought 3 pumpkins and they're really cute. Yeah, I'm just heading out to work right now. I just thought I would kind of give you guys a quick little update. The conference was pretty fun. It was really busy. It was very like not my world, you know, this like kind of corporate world of, I don't know. Yeah, just like it's not my life. That's like not the life that I would ever want for myself, you know. Like, I have pink hair, like, you know, it's just like a very different universe. I did bring home a ton of swag and stuff from the booths. I don't know if you've ever seen The Office. I was trying to find the sound to do a TikTok, but I couldn't find one, where Michael is talking about like all the like stuff that you get at these conventions. Like literally this whole thing, like I was just making office references from that one episode because that's like my only like reference for like what I was at. But yeah, I brought home like a ton of stuff, and I'm probably like just, I don't know, a lot of it's snacks too, like a lot of it's extra snacks. And then like some nice stuff, like I got like some towels and some mugs, stuff like that. But what I was actually looking for in the bags to show you, which is like why I remember that they're here, is that they let me make my own name tag. So everyone had like a name tag, said like their name, and then the company that they worked for, and like their job title and where they're from, everything like that. And as I said, it was a very serious group of people, very corporate. But they let me make my own name tag, which was very stupid of them, because mine, I'm gonna cover up the name of the company, but mine says Daniella, person in charge of things, the moon. And people laughed. They thought it was really funny. But I think some people interpreted it as me saying people like person in charge of things, as in the person like in charge of things, like in charge of everything. But I just meant it like, oh, I'm here doing some things occasionally, like different random jobs, so I'm in charge of those like random things. So that was the only thing. I needed to like maybe reword it a bit or something. But I wrote that I'm from the moon, which I don't know, I feel like is something April Ludgate, I feel like this entire name tag is something that April Ludgate would write. So that was fun, and it got lots of laughs and people enjoyed it. I think someone needs to like lighten the mood at these corporate things, because it's all very like serious and just like, you know, I had to like sit through some of the panels for work and like genuinely had no idea what people, like it could have been in a different language for all I know. Like I just didn't understand any of it. But yes, I am now back home. I need to go to work. I'm gonna be late because I'm sitting here talking to you guys instead of actually going there. I'm wearing super comfy clothing. I got really tired of dressing like a professional. That's not happening this week. I'm in like my sweater and leggings, and my boss is gonna be at our other location today because we have 2 locations. So he can't say anything. But yeah, I'll see you guys kind of later in the day for a fun little thing that I'm going to, which I'll show you guys in a bit. So tonight we are seeing the movie Dune, which is coming out in a couple weeks. I think like 2 weeks. It's coming out on the 22nd. We get to see it early, which is awesome, thanks to Warner Brothers. And I think you guys remember a couple of weeks ago, we saw like the preview of it. Like we saw the first 10 minutes and then like all the behind the scenes and stuff. So now I get to see the full movie, which I'm really excited about because the preview was so good. So it got me like really hyped. Hey guys, so I just got home from work. And I have a shoot with Ruby tonight, so I thought I would kind of touch up my hair. Do you see how crazy my face looks right now? This is all the marks from my mask because I was wearing it all day. I have to wear it all day at work. And so yeah, I look a little bit silly right now, but I'm about to go shower this off, so I'm not going to fix up my makeup until after. And then I'm shooting with Rui, with Geekstrong, and so that's going to be really fun. We're shooting for my spicier content, so be sure to be following that. There's a link below. Sorry that this vlog has been like crazy boring. Some weeks are just like that. They're just not that exciting, and this is one of them. This is how I touch up my hair. I'm using Overtone right now. I usually use like this mixture that my stylist made that has like the dye that she uses and mixed with my conditioner, but right now I'm just kind of doing it quickly, so I'm using Overtone, which like it's still really good. It's just not what she gave me. And yeah, we're gonna do my hair next week. We have plans to like, you know, like fully re-dye and fix my roots and all that. So yeah, right now this is just like a temporary little band-aid fix until next week. But hopefully it turns out somewhat good, because you could probably tell from like my story yesterday that my hair was starting to fade quite a bit, and I just didn't want it to be that faded in my shoot. It can be a little bit faded, just not that faded. All right, so I just got ready and I'm on my way to my shoot. I don't know how much of it I'm going to actually shoot for you guys because this is for my spicier page, so I don't really include that here on my YouTube channel, but it's linked down below. You guys can check it out. Just gotta get going now so I'm not late. So we just finished up my shoot. I'm filming with my phone, obviously, even though my camera's in my back. I don't know why, but here we are. Just ended, and now it's in and out time. So this vlog is almost over, I promise, but I told you guys earlier that I was hoping that it would end with me getting a new TV. So the good news is, new TV is acquired. It is a 55-inch Samsung TV, and I know nothing about it, but the guy at the store said it was good. So that's good. The bad news is we didn't measure the distance of the little bottom parts of it. Here's my assistant, Steven, showing you it doesn't fit on my console, which we did not measure. I thought about it ahead of time and thought, nah, it'll be fine. This console's pretty big. Like, how could it not fit? And it just barely doesn't fit. Like literally.
Both of the legs are like 80%.
Yeah,
are 80% off of the thing.
So it's just like a tiny bit, but I think we're gonna go to IKEA and get a whole new console because otherwise it's just sitting on my floor.
Otherwise a gentle breeze would destroy it.
Yeah, it's a little bit dangerous, and I know that if we just don't do it now, it's just gonna sit on my floor for like a year before we go do it. So, IKEA trip. God, we had to get some snacks before we left. All right, so this room is currently a mess, but we're done. Honestly, it doesn't even look that big in this video, but it is significantly bigger than my last TV. For reference, my last TV is over here. This little guy. So yeah, very much improved. And then over here we have my new piece of furniture that we just had to go to IKEA and purchase because the TV didn't fit on the old one, even though I thought it would. So yeah, we purchased this new one and built it, and now it is 10:30 and I have to edit this video because it's going up tomorrow. Usually I don't film up until the day that I have to like edit and it goes up. Usually I would have ended this vlog on like Monday or Tuesday, but because it was so short, I kind of extended that, so I'm gonna have to figure that out for next week so that I can kind of get back into the correct rhythm and the correct balance of it. Also, can we talk about this hat? Totally random, but I got this hat at Spirit Halloween and it's Appa. Sorry, like I keep moving my face and then my glasses move and then I get really confused. But yeah, this is an Appa hat from Avatar: The Last Airbender and I'm obsessed with it, and I got it at Spirit Halloween the other day, and I don't know why I'm wearing it right now. It was just on my couch and I was like trying to clean up a little bit from the giant mess and put it on. Also, my shirt has corgis on it. They're really my outfit is vibing today. Gosh, it's such a mess in here. It's like literally such a disaster. But yeah, I have to go edit this again. It's like 10:30, so I'm gonna be up all night editing and uploading and then hopefully get some sleep. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Don't forget that if you want to see more of me, you can follow me on my other social medias. I literally have everything. The links to everything are in the description box down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week for my next video. Bye!
Not worthy. It's really good.